What's up guys, it's me, Umi from iTech Everything, and today we have this MORUI 10,000 mAh power bank. It is a great power bank. It can charge your phone or iPhone to up to like 2 to 3 times and even a 50% extra. It is great, and as you can see, it's pretty Apple-ish packing. And the fun fact is that this is a great power bank and it works with USB-C and Lightning, which is great. So if the user is using an Android, they can use USB-C, or if he's an iPhone guy, so he can use Lightning, which is great for every user. And it's available in pink and blue. I've got the blue model here, so let's open it up. So the plastic wrapping is just like the old Apple wrapping, but it's just a little thinner. No issues with that, but it's great. So let's just open this up. You enjoy the opening and I'll be back. Okay, so here we're opening it, and as you can see, it is similar package to the fake AirPods. Not like, advertising those, but yeah, this is pretty good packaging. No complaints. As you can see, that's the box with the case and all that stuff. You can see it's a pretty good design of the power bank. It's actually pretty good weighted, around a bit lighter or a bit heavier, or more or less same as your iPhone. Maybe you can compare it to the iPhone 10R. And as you can see, that's a USB-A and USB-C and Lightning. So you can charge it using C or Lightning, and you have to output it using the A port. No USB-C output, but that's no issues. And as you can see, that's an LED indicator made in India, which is good. And the output is 2.1 ampere. That's what I needed, so this I used in the tablet. So this is a part of that big video. I'll not link it in the description. You can go check it out yourself if you want to, because I don't want more traffic to that video. As you can see, this is a USB-C charger. They do not give a Lightning one, because they might have to spend a bit more to get the MFI one. And yeah, so this is the case for it, which is a good case. To be honest, it's pretty good. It's made of a good material. Don't know exactly what material it is. And you can also fit your charger into that, and you can actually have a nice carry case with your power bank and charger, 2 chargers maybe for your phone and this if you have an iPhone then. Or you can actually just use the iPhone charger, which is great. See, this is when it comes handy. You see that? Also, now let's see the manuals. Manuals are just like Apple. Like, there is so much similarity to the Apple manuals. It is just like those, and it is so good. So they have done a pretty good job over here. Yeah, that was pretty much this video. It was a quick video. It was pretty great. Power bank for 1,000 rupees. You can totally get it. I don't know how much dollars it is for the international viewers. And if you like this video, please subscribe and like this. And if you did not like it, you know what to do. Also comment down below what was wrong so I can improve it, as there's always room for improvement. So yeah, that's me signing off. Peace out. Stay safe.